Hello. I'm Tim the Tech Guy. For TriTech Monitors, the cardiac monitoring specialists. Today we are going to learn how to navigate through the Wave Review menu on the MFM-CMS Telemetry Central Station. To enter into the Wave Review menu, we must first left-click on the waveform of the desired patient in this general area. Clicking there will take us into single bed view. But more importantly, we have now activated the Activities bar menu. From this bar menu, you can access almost every function available for the MFM-CMS Central Station. Now, click on Wave Review. You are currently in the All Waves display. You can move forwards and backwards in time using the bottom scroll bar. Or, you can view the individual waves by using the up and down scroll bar. You can also pick which waveforms are visible by clicking on the Select Waves button here, and then by placing a check mark beside the individual waves you wish to display. Below the waveforms, you will see the patient's vital parameter numbers. You can hide these numbers, while enlarging your wave window, by clicking here on Hide Parameters. Now, let's take a look at the Sweep button. Clicking here will take you into the Sweep Speed menu. You will see 4 speeds to choose from. Each speed will display a different amount of time duration on the screen. The 6.25 mm per second speed will display 1 minute, 15 seconds of waveforms on the screen. The 12.5 mm per second speed will display 57 seconds of waveforms on the screen. The 25 mm per second speed will display 18 seconds of waveforms on the screen. The 50 mm per second speed will display 9 seconds of waveforms on the screen. Now, let's take a look at the Time Setup button. Clicking here will take you to a menu where you can pick an exact day and time you can jump to. Clicking on OK will take you to the desired time index. You can also move forward and backward in time using the navigation buttons, located here. The arrow buttons with the bar will take you to the beginning and the ending of the full disclosure waveform files. The double arrow buttons will move you backwards and forwards in time in 10 seconds intervals. The square button will always stop this progression. The single arrow buttons will move you backwards and forwards in time at 1 second intervals. Once again, you can click the square to stop. Now, let's take a look at the Print button. Clicking here will allow you to print to paper or to PDF. Printing from the MFM-CMS system is covered at length in another video. Visit our website and search for Printing from the MFM-CMS Telemetry Central Station for more on this subject. Now, let's take a look at the Refresh button. Clicking here will return the display back to the most recently recorded time in the full disclosure file. Now, let's take a look at the ECG Waveform button. Clicking here will take you to the ECG full disclosure file. You can even expand this menu by clicking on this expansion box on the far right of the display. The full disclosure screen has time indexes listed on the left side, in 80 seconds intervals. Clicking anywhere in this disclosure file will show a magnified view of the selected 11-second segment. You can still use the right scroll bar to move backwards and forwards through time. The Select Wave button now picks the specific cardiac view of the heart you want to review. If you click on a waveform that is populated with all square waves, like this one, that means you have clicked on a waveform where no data was recorded. If you are only using a 3-electrode setup, then ECG data will only be recorded as lead 2 data. All other leads will show all square waves, or no data recorded. If you require additional ECG view data, you must switch to a 5-lead wire and use 5 electrodes on the patient. Now, click on Main Screen to close out this menu, and return to main viewing status. I hope you have enjoyed this instructional video. Please visit our website at tritechmonitors.com for more videos like this one. Until then, happy monitoring.